Hello everyone. So we shall continue with the same chapter, The Otter by Chinua Achebe. So in the last class we stopped in page number 110 in the first paragraph, and now we shall continue from there. So we have to start from the second paragraph of page number 110. Okay. So yeah. So in the last class we studied about there were two parties, that PAP and POP. PAP is People Alliance Party, and the leader of that party is Marcus, and POP is Progressive Organization Party. So the leader of POP was Maduka. So I think now we got to know about little about POP, that it is tribal. It is formed by tribal people, and it gives importance to political, cultural, social, and religious things. And the campaigners of POP party is they are more like rowdies, local rascals and thugs. Okay, so they make a lot of noise, and they try to become rich. Okay, these campaigners, in the name of giving money, or in the name of helping people, they are looting from the leader. Okay, so yeah, we shall continue with the chapter. Up to last night, everything had been moving according to plan, as Roof would have put it. Then he had received a strange visit from the leader of the POP campaign team. Although he and Roof were well known to each other and might even be called friends, his visit was cold and businesslike. So he says, Roof says everything was right, like it was moving according to the plan, because now this is the time of elections, and there will be a plans, and they have to go according to the plan. Okay, according to the rules, and everything was going in order. But now he has, for his home, okay, for his home, he received a strange visit from a leader of POP campaign team. Okay, there was a leader from the POP campaign team. Okay, he had come to Roof, and although he and Roof were well known to each other and might even be called as friends. Okay, they were well known. I mean, both were from the opposite team. Like his Roof was from PAP, and this guy was from POP, but they were known to each other. Okay, since they are living in a same village, they were known to each other, and it was like it would be even called as friends. Okay, they could be even called as friends. And this visit, okay, particularly, see, whenever you have a casual visit of your friend, you don't seem it is different, but okay, but this time the visit, okay, was cold and businesslike. So he got to know that it was something serious, or something like official businesslike. No words were wasted. He placed 5 pounds on the floor before Roof and said, "We want your vote." Roof got up from his chair, went to the outside door, closed it carefully, and returned to his chair. The brief exercise gave him enough time to weigh the proposition. As he spoke, his eyes never left the red notes on the floor. He seemed to be mesmerized by the picture of cocoa farmer harvesting his crops. Okay, so now, yeah, without wasting much time, um, the campaigner from the POP party, he placed 5 pounds on the floor. Okay, and Roof said, and the campaigner placed 5 pounds on the floor and said, Roof, that we want your vote. Okay, we want your vote. And Roof, in turn, what was his gesture? Okay, Roof, in turn, got up from the chair, went to the outside door and closed it carefully, and returned to his chair. Okay, so he got up from the chair, he went and closed the door, and he came back and sat on the chair, in the chair. Okay, so the brief exercise gave him enough time to weigh the proposition. Okay, so now by the time he got up and went and closed the door, and by the time he came back, there was certain time for him, okay, to think and to decide what he has to do at this uh, for this propose, okay, for this proposition, what he has to do. So he had time to think. As he spoke, as his eyes spoke, never left the red notes on the floor. He seemed to be mesmerized by the picture of the cocoa farmer harvesting his crop. So on the notes, okay, the 5 pounds which was kept on the floor for Roof, he was staring at it. Roof was staring at it, and his eyes was on the notes, and he was mesmerized, okay, by the picture of cocoa farmer harvesting his crop. So on this note, on the pounds on that note, see, for example, we have that a picture on the note that it shows a river, mountain, and two trees. Okay, so similarly on the note of these countries, okay, so there is a cocoa farmer harvesting his crops. Okay, so he was mesmerized by that picture. Okay, got it? Yeah, so next we will move on. You know, I work for Marcus, he said feebly. It will be very bad. So now Roof says the campaigner, okay, you know that I belong to a PAP party and I work for Marcus, and if I take this money it will be bad. Okay, so Marcus will not be, so the opposite, the party people, they say Marcus will not be there when you put in your paper. We have plenty of work to do night. Are you taking this or not? Okay, so now the opposite team says to Roof that Marcus will not be there when you're voting. Okay, and we have so much work to do tonight. We have so much work to do, and tell me, take a decision quickly that you're taking this or not. Okay, so it will not be heard outside this room, asked Roof. So in a response, in a question like thing, Roof asks, will this not be heard outside? Okay, so like I mean, if he's asking casually that if I take this money, will it not be heard outside that I have taken corruption, or I have taken amount from your party? Okay, so the opposite team says we are after words and not gossip. All right, said Roof in English. So the opposite party, the POP party, says we are after votes, we are asking for votes, but we won't gossip. Okay, gossip is like talking about each other or talking about secrets outside. Okay, so yeah, then Roof agreed. All right, and said Roof. All right, said Roof in English. Okay, so the man nudged his companion and he brought forward an object covered with a red cloth and proceeded to remove the cover. It was a fearsome little affair contained in a clay pot with feathers stuck into it. The EE comes from Mabanta. Okay, you know what that means? Swear that you will vote for Madhuka. Okay, so now the leader, the campaign leader from POP party, nudged to his companion. He made some gesture. Okay, he made some gesture to the his companion, the companion from his party, and he says, and the companion brought forward an object covered with a red cloth and proceeded to remove the cover. So he brought something in his hand. The companion, he brought something in his hand and he covered it with red cloth, and they tried to remove the cover. It was a fearsome little affair contained in a clay pot with feathers stuck into it. It was scary. Okay, when you open it, it was in a pot, and it was it was looking so scary, and the feathers, okay, you know feathers, right? Feathers were stuck into it, so it was little to look, it was like scary. Okay, so what was that? It was the EE comes from Mabanta. Okay, EE is local deity from Mabanta. Okay, and it is very to look. It is very scary, and Mabanta is a neighboring country or place near Umofia, and it is famous for all superficial things. Okay, superficial things, black magic. Okay, and scaring people in the name of deity. Okay, so now this deity, it is a local deity, EE. Okay, it is a local deity, and in Mabanta it was used to scare people. Okay, it was used in the form of black magic, superstitious belief, and as if you misbehave, or if you do something wrong, or if you don't follow the rules, or if you cheat, okay, so you'll be punished. That's how they were scared of this local deity. Okay, so yeah, and the campaigner says, you know what that means? Swear that you will vote for Madhuko. So you swear on this EE god. Okay, EE local deity. You should swear on this that you will vote for Madhuka. If you fail to do so, this EE take note. Okay, so if you don't vote, you'll be cursed. Okay, you will be cursed, and this EE will take you over. Okay. Roof's heart nearly flew out when he saw the EE. Indeed, he knew the fame of Mabanta in these things, but he was a man of quick decision. What could a single vote cast in secret for Madhuka take away from Marcus' certain victory? Nothing. So now, Roof is nearly very scared when he sees the EE, because he knows about EE and what fame of Mabanta and these things. Okay, because he was knowing about how in Mabanta they use EE as a local deity, as to scare people. Okay, to scare people, and in the name of EE they used to do all black magic, superstitious things. Okay, so now here Chinua Achebe describes Roof as man of quick decision. Okay, you can see in the second line of the para, he was called as man of quick decision. And now the person Roof thinks that what could a single vote cast in secret for Madhuka take away from Marcus' certain victory. So now he's thinking it is a single vote. Okay, and it is cast in secret. I will be casting vote for Madhuka in secret, and it will not take anything from Marcus' victory. Okay, nothing. So yeah, this is what he told, and we shall stop here.